Selected high-quality fresh mangoes. Thoroughly cleaned and washed. Precisely peeled by machine. Sliced into uniform pieces. Soaked in light syrup solution. Evenly placed on drying trays. Loaded onto mobile carts. Pushed into SIBIONO heat pump drying chamber. Using SIBIONO 2000 kg mango dryer machine. Dual host system efficient operation. Precise temperature and humidity control. Low temperature drying process. Energy saving and environmentally friendly. Maintains natural color and nutrients. Drying 2000 kg mango pulp per batch. Complete drying cycle inspection. Precision weighing and packaging. Vacuum sealed to preserve freshness. SIBIONO ensures consistent quality. Finished mango snacks ready for sale. Welcome to follow SIBIONO fruit dryer.